The Internet of Things, or IoT, it's where billions of devices that affect virtually every aspect of our lives become connected and share data, and optimize what they do based on analyzing that data. Many of those devices will be new solutions that have connectivity, security, and manageability features built in, so they're ready to join the Internet of Things right out of the box. But what about existing devices? An Intel processor-based gateway can enable those existing devices to become smart and connected. Intel Gateway Solutions for the Internet of Things, along with McAfee and Wind River, are accelerating IoT possibilities, unlocking the hidden value of legacy industrial equipment data. Once connected, existing devices will comprise the majority of the things within the Internet of Things. This enables us to increase industrial efficiency, improve healthcare, optimize traffic flow in cities, enhance our shopping experiences, maximize green energy generation, and more. Intel Gateway Solutions for the Internet of Things can connect to many devices simultaneously and collect their data. Built-in Intel CPUs process and filter that data and securely transmit it over the cloud to its destination at the edge. Key personnel can be alerted about potential problems and receive critical information. The destination may also be a data center where the gateway's data can be analyzed along with data from other gateways to transform the aggregated data into actionable insight. The data center can then send control information back to the gateways to optimize the operations of their connected endpoint devices. Using Intel Gateway Solutions for the Internet of Things can help speed your time to market and reduce deployment costs. Intel solutions with McAfee and Wind River are fully integrated. You get single board hardware along with the OS, connectivity, security, and manageability features you need from a single source. Your software can be written once and reused across Intel processors to help ensure interoperability between solutions. Plus, with Intel architecture, you're tapping into the world's largest ecosystem of developers, libraries, development tools, and peripherals. Those advantages mean you can spend more time designing differentiating features while reducing your development time. If you'd like to find out even more about Intel Gateway Solutions for the Internet of Things, please visit us on the web at www.intel.com/i.
Hello and welcome to today's webinar. I would like to introduce to you the exciting topic Internet of Things. My name is Patricia Olympia Grutkowski and I'm the member of Intel Online Sales Group. So let's start with the demo. By now you may have heard the term Internet of Things, but what does Internet of Things actually mean? IoT is an evolution of mobile, home and embedded application that can be connected to the Internet. This allows to integrate greater compute capabilities using data analytics to get meaningful information. Billions of devices will be connected to the Internet, and soon even a lot of more. As related devices connected to each other, they will become intelligent system of systems. Over the cloud, you can share and analyze the data. It can transform our businesses, our lives, and our world into countless ways. So we can improve our medical sector, creating as well better products, faster with lower costs, making shopping more enjoyable, optimizing energy generation and consumption. So let's continue now with a short example. Here is a smart traffic camera. The camera can monitor the road, accidents, as well weather conditions, and communicate that status to gateways that combines it with data from other devices to create an intelligent city-wide traffic system. All of these will create larger systems of systems. There is a huge possibility to come from analyzing the end-to-end data across the systems of systems. Now imagine there is an accident on the road. A camera is noticing it and sending out the data to the city transportation system. This would have an impact to other systems and inform about the delay in public transportation. For example, at airports or even at schools. It can analyze and optimize new routes around the accident and send those instructions to the city's digital signage system to guide drivers around the accident. And that's only one example of the potential benefits that can happen when intelligent devices share insight with other expanding system of systems. But how do we get there? Regardless of the solution, interprocessors are designed to help you to enter the market faster and easier. You can scale solution across the variety of performance, power, and price points to the single set of application code that runs on every Intel processor. So what would you develop to help drive and improve the Internet of Things? We would love to help you. So please contact your local Intel representative or visit us on the web. Thanks very much for today's demo.
Hi, I'm Mark Hendricks, and welcome to this episode of Tech Today. We're going to visit places all over the world where the Internet of Things is transforming lives in remarkable new ways. Our first story is about a city using the Internet of Things to create a better public transportation experience with intelligent digital signage. Another profiles two companies teaming up to use intelligent devices and real-time data analytics to make freight trucks more efficient and safer to drive. Finally, we'll see how networking technology connects doctors to first responders in emergencies when life and death decisions cannot wait. On this journey, we're going to travel far and wide to show how the Internet of Things is changing the way we live. Let's begin in Barcelona, Spain, a beautiful metropolis with Mediterranean weather and historic architecture. This city is becoming a world leader in intelligent technology. By combining a centralized content distribution system with a vast network of digital displays, Transports Metropolitans de Barcelona gives millions of transit riders real-time access to service information, location-specific advertising, and daily news.
What we are trying to do is to improve all the travel experience of our clients from the beginning of the trip to the end of the trip. When we started 2 years ago, and we had some needs that Intel can solve us with their Intel V Pro processor. With this processor, we can manage all the players that we have around the city. We have a very close circle from the distribution center to the bus shelters, to the buses, to the metro, and all the information comes back again to the content center. And then we process that information and give it back to them.
We can get the data of our sensor, a lot of sensors in the city, and send with Wi-Fi network to our headquarters. Then, and with this data, we can deploy better services, better solutions, and we can manage better our city.
We use LAN, or we use Wi-Fi, or we use mobile network. We can send all the information, but as well we are receiving every time and every moment the status of all the players and the reports of the playlist that we are displaying through all the screens. So we have a really end-to-end solution.
TMB's digital screens can display 3 types of service information, including real-time info such as train arrival times or incidents on specific network lines. When TMB worked with Admira to design the information system, they knew they needed a technology partner that could handle the security and remote manageability issues surrounding this massive amount of data. Admira went with digital signage displays driven by Intel Core processors with Intel V Pro technology.
To transform the city, we need the best companies and we need the best partners to deploy our project. With the Intel technology, we can deploy a lot of innovation technology to do better solutions to our citizens.
When you are implementing 2,500 screens through the city, it's very important to be sure that it's that this channel is very secure.
The information that goes on our networks is very important, and this is something that we did with Pro Solutions. And it's very important, this remote manageability, because we have thousands of points that we need to control in real time. We are already scaling the solutions in South America especially. We have plenty of clients in Chile, Peru, Cuba, Mexico, Argentina, because this is our main project already. Try to put everything that we deploy in our lab in Barcelona from a big scale around the world.
Working closely with Intel technology, TMB has created a system capable of playing dynamic content and allowing LAN, Wi-Fi, and 3G-based digital signage screens to be managed remotely from a central location. Expect to see this example of the Internet of Things in cities around the world very soon. Our next story is about a solution that brings intelligence to freight trucks, making drivers safer and more efficient while reducing fuel consumption. A company called Vnomics is providing real-time individualized driver coaching, comprehensive vehicle analysis, and safety and compliance tools through the Internet of Things. Brian Balius of Saya LTL Freight tells us about how the trucking industry is changing.
So the truck really hasn't changed a great deal since Mr. Saya bought his first one back in